Hi everyone, here's a quick video showing you how you can add custom labels to the tooltips or the crosshairs. So as you can see in this example, for the crosshairs, as I move across the chart, you'll see the label changes with various values, open, high, low, close, etc. But I've also added a couple of custom labels. You can see there, change percent and the current RSI 14 value. So we can add these to the labels by right clicking on the crosshair icon on the left of the screen, go to custom labels, and down the bottom we got scripts. So these are created using the Optuma scripting language. So for example, let's add a new one. So hit the plus, click the three little dots to bring up the script editor, and then you can create any formula that you want. Or choose from something that you've saved. So let's do a true false one. So I'll just search in here for close. Is the close greater than the 50 moving average? We apply that, and now that's been added to the label. So as you can see at the bottom there, that on that particular day, that condition was true. Now because the time frame wasn't specified in the formulas, it will be calculated on whatever time frame of the chart. So this is a daily chart of Bitcoin, but if I changed it to 60-minute, then the values will be based on that time frame. Hope that's been useful. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.